Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
5 home remedies to keep birds away. Shiny objects. Shiny, reflective objects make great deterrents for problematic birds. Predators. Birds have many natural predators including cats, owls, and larger birds of prey. Garden balls. Bird spikes. Repellent sprays. The 10th of January 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Birds don't like the feel of the foil under their beaks and will stay away. You can also hang strips of aluminum foil, or shiny party streamers, from the trees or other high points around your home and garden. The sun reflects off the shiny surface and bothers their eyes, deterring them from coming near. 17 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Sprinkle baking soda around roosting areas to keep birds from perching. Coat common perching areas, like eaves or the tops of outdoor lights, with a thin layer of baking soda. Birds don't like the feeling of baking soda under their feet, so they'll avoid landing there.
Take our lead.
Birds don't have strong lungs and therefore don't like strong scents such as peppermint oil. An easy way to help repel and deter insects, rodents, birds, and wildlife is to create a peppermint oil spray. 14 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
In theory, yes. Vinegar consists of acetic acid and therefore it will kill, or suppress, some bacteria and fungi that are potentially harmful to birds. Birds dislike the smell of hairspray, perfume and aftershave. They can be toxic. 7 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Also to know is, do birds hate vinegar? In theory, yes. Vinegar consists of acetic acid and therefore it will kill, or suppress, some bacteria and fungi that are potentially harmful to birds. Birds dislike the smell of hairspray, perfume and aftershave. They can be toxic. 7 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.